Hey everyone, Mike here for Anti-Steam Carpet Cleaning. I know I do a lot of rug cleaning videos. You don't really get to see me too much in the video, but I do a lot of rug cleaning videos, I do a lot of carpet cleaning videos just to show you what we do. Well, today I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna share it with you. This is gonna be a little different. We're gonna clean out a dryer vent. Customer states, we're in Capitola, California. Customer says that when they use their dryer, the clothes are just not getting dry. So what we believe is there's a blockage somewhere in the vent line. So I'm gonna put on my fancy respirator because this can get messy, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, wish me luck. Let me put on my respirator. I'm gonna make the video. I hope you enjoy it. All right, put this thing on and wish me luck. Here we go. Enjoy the video.
There you go. It's snowing. Oh yeah, there it is. That's awesome. All right. I think he's hit the dam.
The mother load.
The mother load that he's hit the dam.
Oh, it's there.
Yeah, because you can notice when you start pulling it out, these big chunks come out.
Oh yeah.
But now you can tell. Look at the flaps. Like
Oh yeah,
all
the flap's
way up,
almost
hitting
all the way
top of
open
thing
now. Yeah.
Oh, there. Get out of there. Yes.
Are you filming this? Can we get a copy of the video?
Absolutely.
Yeah, see? It's wet now.
Yeah,
No,
so that
it's
was the
wet.
damp stuff that's like
It's
cement.
wet. Oh, we're getting way better flow.
Good.
Alright.
Should be happy.
You gonna hose myself off.
Okay.
Yep, it's wet.
Yeah.
That is part of the problem.